Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Blink camera how, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your device up and running quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Unbox your Blink camera how and ensure all components are included. Check for the device, power adapter, cables, and quick start guide. Step 2. Download the official app for your Blink camera. How from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Step 3. Power on your device by connecting it to a power source. Wait for the indicator light to show that the device is ready for setup. Step 4. Open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to add your new device. The app will search for nearby devices automatically. Step 5. Select your Blink camera. How from the list of available devices and follow the pairing instructions. You may need to press a button on the device to initiate pairing. Step 6. Connect your device to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network name and entering the password when prompted. Step 7. Complete the setup by customizing your device settings according to your preferences. This may include naming your device, setting up notifications, and configuring advanced features. Step 8. Test your device to ensure it's working correctly. Check all functions and features to confirm successful setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.